thinking about buying a cabin in Minnesota or Wisconsin, you're probably wondering how to actually finance it. Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through the basics and share lots of tips to make it easier. So let's jump in. First things first, figure out your budget. Cabin prices here range from affordable little getaways to big luxury spots. So think about it. How much can you afford monthly? How much cash do you have for down payment? And don't forget about the extra costs like property taxes, insurance, keeping up the cabin, toys, boats, all that adds up. Now, next up, let's talk about the difference between cabin loans and what we would consider a regular mortgage. If you're planning to live in your cabin year-round, you can actually get a traditional mortgage because you'll homestead it, same as buying any other house. But if it's just a vacation property or a second home, lenders usually want a higher down payment, at least 10 to 20%, if not more, and interest rates can be a bit higher too. Okay, so what do lenders actually look for? They usually want a good credit score, obviously around 700 or higher if you can, and a steady income and job history, basics. But if the cabin is in a remote or seasonal spot, they might ask more questions, like if you can actually get there year-round. And speaking of locations, cabins in Minnesota and Wisconsin can be tricky. A lot of cabins up here are seasonal. They might only have road access in the summer or during certain months. So that can make financing harder because some lenders don't want to finance seasonal properties. So be sure to check that out early in your process. Another big tip, shop around for lenders. Not every lender wants to do cabin loans. Local banks or credit unions can be a lot better because they understand these kind of properties. Ask if they do vacation property loans or second home loans. Those can be perfect for cabins. Now, if you're buying land to build a cabin, you'll probably need a land loan first, or if you're planning to build your dream cabin from scratch, you might need a construction loan. Both of these are different from what we call a regular mortgage, so definitely talk to your lender early on in your process about what you're planning. There are also some special loan programs that might work if you're buying a cabin in a rural area. USDA loans, for example, in Wisconsin for certain properties. Sometimes zero down if you qualify, and if you're a veteran, ask about VA loans. You might have some options there as well. Don't forget about the extras, like I mentioned. Property taxes, check what they are in their county. Insurance is usually a bit higher for cabins, especially if they're in the woods or on a lake. If there's an HOA or community association, see if there are monthly fees, dock fees, all of that. One last tip, work with a local real estate agent who knows cabins. They'll know which lenders actually do these loans and can help you avoid surprises. So that's it, Cabin Financing 101 in Minnesota and Wisconsin. Know your budget, watch out for seasonal access issues, and work with local experts whenever you can. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cabin life tips. And I'd love to hear what your dream cabin is like. Leave a comment below and let's chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.